Hello one and all, I hope you are well and welcome to the Outdoor Learning YouTube channel for another episode in a series of videos we're making to help keep you entertained at home during this COVID-19 situation. My name is Adam, I'm an outdoor instructor. Once again, I hope you're keeping yourselves well, washing your hands and making the most out of your time at home. So, without further ado, let's get cracking. As we carry on into spring, we will hopefully see more of the nice weather and clear skies that we have recently been blessed with. Because of this, we will see even more in our night skies. This makes it perfect for a bit of stargazing, which is the topic of this episode. One thing that you will be able to spot in the night sky when it is clear are star constellations. This is when a group of stars form a recognisable pattern. Throughout the year, there are up to 30 different constellations that can be seen from the Northern Hemisphere. 25 of them can only be seen during certain seasons, but there are 5 that can be seen all year round. This activity is about you being able to find them. For this activity, you will need a cereal box, a pen, and a small nail or pin. If you don't have a cereal box, paper or card will work well. Google a picture of a constellation you would like to find. For this video, we are going to find Ursa Major, also known as the Great Bear or the Big Dipper. On your paper or cardboard, mark out the shape of the constellation that you just Googled using your pen. Now take your pin and poke holes on each of the dots you marked on the card. Take care when doing this and ask an adult for help if needed. Make sure you make one clear hole for each of the stars. There are plenty of stargazing apps that you can download on your phone. Most of these are free and you simply hold your phone up to the sky like a camera. These apps will tell you where stars, planets and constellations are at any time. When it gets dark, take your card to the window or outside in your garden. Hold it up and use it to find the constellation in the sky. This brings us to the end of our video. I do hope you have enjoyed it and will be able to find a little bit of time to go and do some stargazing yourself. So until next time, look after yourselves, friends and family, and hopefully see you at the next video. So until then, thank you very much and goodbye.